Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, Volume 12, and I'm working on day 23. Let me show you that sketch really quickly. This was created by Shannon Blinn, Colbert and Blinn, and she created a double page sketch. I'm only going to have one, and I have a feeling mine's going to differ a little bit. So I will do the line down the middle, and I like this visual triangle of embellishments. I think that's super cute. And she's got 6 photos. I'm going to have 3. We're going to just go with it. Let's see what we have. And the reason why I was like, okay, I can totally use this beautiful looking, guys, it's just a strip and it is so pretty. I wonder what the other strips look like because I could kind of use 2. That one I can totally use. Let's see what this one is. Okay, I'm gonna use this, both of these strips. Okay, so I've got this kit from the Scrap Room. It was from September 2022, and it's a Flavors of the Month kit, and it's all based on 49 and Market Alina. So this will be my background, and I wanna bring this across the paper. I think it's gorgeous. And I'm going to do the same thing with this strip right here. I think that would be super pretty. Great. Then look at these embellishments. I've got chipboard pieces. I have got these cute little frames. I've got this for a great piece to go around my photo and all, I mean, guys, all of these beautiful embellishments. So this one is going to come together like in 2 seconds. I can already tell you. Now, in the kit as well, I do have cardstock, and I have this piece, but I don't think I'm going to need to even cut into it. There is a lot just available to me as is. Oh, let me show you my photo. I've got this photo right here. This is my youngest, and we were in northern Michigan. I took her to my favorite restaurant where we keep our condo, and she tried my favorite drink at that restaurant, which is a lemon lavender martini. And the lavender is grown right down the street from there. Super cool. Alrighty, that is the excitement of that. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this piece off. I mean, this collection is just an absolutely gorgeous collection. So it will come together like zoom. Especially since we already know what we want to use. So I think, is a little bit of that showing through? I don't know. I'm thinking of fussy cutting that piece out and having this overlay on top of it. I think that's going to do it for me on that. Then we already have this piece here, which is going to be great with the black and white. I would like it to be very dramatic with the florals. I can cut the florals in half if I feel like it and put it on the top and the bottom. We've got this piece that's gorgeous. Oh, we've got this piece too. Let's see. We have pieces like this that are chipboard. I think that would be super interesting. So we can layer up a couple of them and see where it takes us, right? Then I'm looking to see what else. We have got this little orange bit here. We've got this, but I don't have anything else with an element like that, so I don't think I'm going to go in with that. Now, this is very interesting to me, and the reason why it's interesting, ooh, I've got one more little piece I think I can bring in. The reason why I find it so interesting is that there's, you know, you can fold it in half, and then you would have like this Polaroid thing. But what if I might need to bring in some of that blue? Let me see. Just to, ooh, it's too deep. I was gonna say to matte the photo. I'm wondering about this. Yep, I'll bring in a little bit of this. It's a bit of a sacrifice, but you know what? Then I can fussy cut some of these elements and have them stick out. Okay, totally fine. So this is what I thought I would do with this piece. I'm gonna go ahead and create 2 shaker pockets out of this in order to make my layout just a little bit more zhuzhed. So that's now 2 frames. It'll be 2 shakers. It'll be great. This is going to allow me to map my layout, make it a slightly more interesting layout. We've got those pieces coming across. I can cut out a bunch of these gorgeous bits. And then with the center area that we won't really see, that's how I'm at my photo. Phew. Y'all, I got some homework to do. So I'm going to sign off for a bit, get doing all of that homework, get all of these pieces on like we talked about it, create the shaker pockets, blah, 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 blah. And I'll meet you right back here. All right, guys, so I have all of these pieces on that we talked about, and it's so darn pretty. This collection just, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous product, gorgeous stuff. I did my shaker pockets with this, so I've got some nice little shaky, shiny bits, and that's awesome. Now, is there anything else? All right, I don't have a title. So I went into my bin, and you know, the bin I've been going through for either wood veneer or I have been looking for either wood veneer. I'm trying to say words and words are not coming out right. It's wood veneer or acrylics. And I have this one, it reads road trip. And I'm like, perfect. My daughter and I did a roadie. This will work perfectly. So I have a pre-made title, and that's one of the things that's on the bingo sheet. I also want to take a quick look to see if I can find any, wow, that fits like just right. To see if I can find Flair that matches this. So I'm going to look for some Flair. Then we can go ahead and look at this bingo sheet. Let me look at the Flair that's right here on my desk super quickly. This is one of the latest Happy mailboxes. So kind of interesting. I bet, and I know guys that I should be looking for more, but this set might actually work just fine. The very first one I looked at, because I have a yellow piece there, so I can bring a yellow piece here. See, there's a yellow little bit right here that's circular. So that's kind of cool. That can go opposite. Now this is slightly deeper blue, but I think it will still vibe like that. And I'd love to put in just one more, maybe right under here. So I have a nice little visual triangle of Flair. Ta-da! Done. Okay, so let's look on our bingo card really quickly. And I'm just using this, I've told you guys this before, it's just to see what I might be able to add on to my projects. So stars, for the 5 bazillionth time, I'm going to see if there are any stars. The hot pink is a no. All right, no. So this is an aqua colored one. I'm thinking about kind of putting things around, just kind of around these enamel dots that I've brought in. And then I have one over here. Perfect. Bring those stars right in. Ta-da! All right, so we did stars. Now, stickers. Where the stickers are concerned, maybe I will find some when I go through the previous kits. Enamel dots. See if any of these colors will work. I'm feeling like I'm running out of enamel dot colors that will work from here. So I will look when I go into those kits again. Fussy cutting, I fussy cut some elements. Wood veneer pieces. Let me see if I have any in this bin that might, ooh, what about, I've got these. I'm gonna see if watching, listening, feeling, reading, loving, eating. Well, she wasn't eating yet, but I thought that might look cute to go ahead and do loving right there. Great. And then a couple of little hearts in wood veneer. Perfect. We'll put those on. Circles are my Flair. Numbers. Oh, there were some numbers on this. Double border on my photo. Sequins, we've already used. Single photo. Chipboard. This is actually chipboard. Some of these elements on here, this yellow piece is, so that's fine. No vellum, no mixed media yet. Might do some white splatty bits. We have Flair. I did not distress edges this time. I did use a pre-made title. Don't have a rainbow cut file. I have florals, and I do have puppies in the form of those little stars. Phew. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, wait, I need one extra little heart. I'm going to go through my previous kits and see what I might be able to sneak on here. And then just to see what I might be able, you know, there's something I can probably use, right? I know I need some enamel dots. I'm going to finish this up and I'll come back and show you my finished layout. All right, my friends, this is this layout done. I went ahead and grabbed some twine from my blue color drawer. I have a little bit of that deeper navy, so I thought that would work. I did have a bright yellow, but it was almost like a lemon yellow, and the orangey color I had was like crayon orange, so it just was not gonna work. Anyway, so I did find some enamel dots in my previous kits, used a few more sequins, and guys, that is that for this layout. Glad it came together. It was super fun to do, and I really enjoyed the sketch. I'm going to have some still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.